Let's see his shirt. Nice. All right.
Thank you. One more time, yes?
Oh, yeah. All right. They need a bigger one. I want to see more.
Come to the Ozarks.
Yes.
Got a lot of them down there.
Yeah.
Can you tell me where the bathrooms are? Yeah, actually. Okay, all right.
No, well, they haven't yet gone over the barrier, but they could.
Nice. Great.
Thank you all very much for coming.
Thank you.